So hello everyone. Today in this video I will show you different ideas around the pool. So let's get started. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and make sure to press the bell icon for the latest videos. Let's start it. Summer is just around the corner and it's time to start thinking about your outdoor spaces. If you're looking enough to have a pool, you know how important it is to create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. In this video, we will explore some fun and creative ideas for making the most of your pool area. One idea is to add a poolside bar. This is perfect for entering guests or just relaxing with a cold drink. You can build your own bar or buy a pre-made one and then decorate it with the fun and colorful accents. Don't forget to stock it with all your favorite beverages. Another great addition to your pool area is a cabana. This can provide shade on hot days and create a cozy spot to relax with a book or take a nap. You can choose from a variety of styles and sizes and then decorate it with comfy cushions and thorough blinds. From those colder evenings, a fire pit is must have around your pool. This is not only provide warmth but also create a beautiful ambience. You can choose from a traditional wood burning pit or gas powered one and then surround it with comfortable seating for the ultimate gathering spot. Why not create your own outdoor movie theater with a poolside movie screen? This is perfect for family movie night or entertaining guests. You can set up a projector and sound system and then add some comfy seating and snacks for a fun and memorable experience. Finally, don't forget about adding some fun games and activities around your pool area. This can include everything from a poolside basketball hoop to a giant Jenga set or a cornhole game. These fun games can keep both kids and adults entertained for hours on end. With these ideas, you can create the ultimate poolside oasis that will make your summer unforgettable. Whether you are entertaining guests or just relaxing with family, this addition will create that perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Another great way to enhance your pool area is to add some greenery. You can create a poolside garden with a variety of plant and flower. This is not only add a natural touch to your space but also help create a more relaxing atmosphere. Consider adding some fragrant herbs such as lavender or mint to make your poolside experience even more refreshing. If you are looking to keep your pool area clean and hygienic, adding a poolside shower is a great option. This allows you to rinse off before and after swimming, keep your pool water clean and reducing the amount of debris and dirt track into your home. A simple outdoor shower and a small platform are all you need to create this convenient addition. For the ultimate in relaxation, add a poolside hammock. This is a perfect spot to curl up with a good book or take a nap in the sun. You can choose from a variety of styles and materials, including traditional rope or modern fabric option. Don't forget to add some soft blanket and pillows for ultimate comfort. If you look to cook and entertain, consider adding a poolside outdoor kitchen. This allows you to prepare delicious meals with still enjoying the outdoors and spending time with your guests. You can create a simple kitchen area with a grill and some prep space, or go all out with a family equipped kitchen complete with a sink, refrigerator, and even a pizza oven. With these additional ideas, your pool area for a truly serene and luxurious pool experience, consider adding a poolside waterfall. The sound of trickling water create calming atmosphere and can even help down out any noise from nearby road or neighbors. You can choose from a variety of style including natural rock formation or more modern design. This is a great way to make your pool area feel like a true oasis. If you want to create a comfortable and stylish space to relax around your pool, add a poolside lounge area. This can include a variety of sitting options from traditional lounge chairs to plush sofas and love seats. You can even add some outdoor rugs and throw pillows to make the space feel even cozier. This is a perfect spot to enjoy a cocktail, read a book, or catch some sun. If you're looking to add some additional relaxation option around your pool, consider adding a poolside hot tub. This is a perfect for colder months or a chilly evening with you want to warm up and soak your